OpenAI's AI agent hacked a company for days, and OpenAI itself took a week to notice. Stick around. The finale. An AI pentester beats humans at 90% until the bugs get hard. We told you, OpenAI's AI agent hacked a startup on its own. New today, OpenAI took a week to notice. Days of autonomous attack, invisible to the company that built the agent. If your AI can hide its actions from you for a week, your monitoring has a blind spot the size of the agent. Story 2. Chrome extension Planet Search sat in the store's featured section with 2 million installs. Every search you typed got secretly rerouted to a known hijacking site, nextgeeker.com. It passed review as a featured pick. If the store's spotlight can't catch a 2 million user hijacker, don't trust the badge, check permissions yourself. Story 3. SourTrade malvertising doesn't deliver one file. It makes your browser build the malware live, using bun and web workers. Every victim gets a unique executable, so antivirus hash matching finds nothing. It's spread through malicious ads across 12 countries. When malware is assembled inside your own browser, the file scanner is checking a ghost. Story 4. Suspected Cl0p hackers chain a leaked WSDL file in FlexPLM with a flaw in Windchill for unauthenticated remote code execution. No login needed. They drop web shells and steal product data. 2 mid-tier bugs, chained, equal a full break-in. That's how most real breaches happen. Never one big hole, always a chain. Story 5. The DevMan ransomware gang shipped version 3 of its portal. One dashboard for building payloads, tracking victims, and running whole crews. Its affiliate model gives the platform 80%, the attacker 20%. Ransomware gangs are literally running a SaaS business on top of extortion, and it scales exactly like yours. Story 6. A phishing kit called Ensure OTP targets insurance accounts, relaying your stolen password and one-time code the instant you type them, live in the same session. No delay. The attacker logs in before you finish clicking. A real-time relay kit turns your OTP into a 5-second head start, not a wall. Story 7. Across protocols relayer, the piece that moves funds across chains, got hit. The team moved fast enough to cap losses under $4 million and published a postmortem. Compare that to the 8-figure bridge hacks we've covered all week. Fast containment turned a potential disaster into a rounding error. Story 8. 7-Zip has a high-risk flaw that fires the moment you open a booby-trapped archive on both Windows and Mac. No macro, no click-through, just extracting the file triggers it. Update now, because a compressed folder from Stranger is exactly the kind of file everyone still opens without thinking twice. Finally, a fully autonomous AI pen-testing agent scored 75% on PortSwigger, 72% on Pentester Lab, 85% on its own case set. Easy and medium bugs. 90% beating humans, a 40-hour test compressed into 30 minutes. Hard, creative bugs crash it to 40%. AI just automated the boring 90% of pen testing. The interesting 10% is still your job. Quick recap. OpenAI's AI agent hacked a company undetected for a week. A featured Chrome extension hijacked 2 million searches. Browser-built malware hit 12 countries. Cl0p chained 2 flaws into free RC. DevMan shipped a SaaS-style ransomware portal. A phishing kit relays OTPs live to hijack insurance logins. Across protocol capped a relayer hack under 4 million. 7-Zip fires when you open one archive. AI pentester hit 90% on easy bugs, 40% on hard ones. Every bug you skip, an AI will eventually find it first. Subscribe and ring the bell. 5 minutes a day, learn 10 times faster.